These are streamlines going around a cow, and we can orbit around. So considering how much of a, just like a lump of meat that a cow is, it's fairly streamlined. It's not really mixing up the streamlines too much, not really causing much chaotic motion. So that's pretty cool. This is the U magnitude in a plane going through the cow. The flow is going from left to right, and it's going through. One thing that's interesting is that the wake is really coming down at an angle, so it's hitting the ground a little bit. This is the same plane, but now this is the vorticity magnitude. So near the surface of the cow, the vorticity is quite high, but as you go further away, there are still some there's some vorticity still, which is quite interesting. So make sure to check out the International Aerodynamics Conference. It's a conference put on every year for aerodynamicists. Check out the experimental instruments we make for you, and check out the courses we put on to make you a better aerodynamicist. Peace out.